So it's finished my work. So I put already this. Okay, and so I put already linen inside. So it depend in, okay, and it's up to you it's up to you if how you put this. So this is it. I'm finished for my another backpack. This is my fourth backpack, but this is one of the most uh, beautiful color combination. I mean, since I didn't have more color of this green, so that I decided to put white and yellow green, but the yellow green is not the same size of the green and the white. So that's why, as you can see that there is like holes, more holes, right? Because the sizes of this green is not the same. So it's not the same the size, white and this green. So that's why. And thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like it. And anyway, I did not make more videos for this like on how to make this, because I have already uploaded from my last from my the other backpack. So that's why. And this will be my another intro. And thank you so much guys. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can leave also a comment below. And please don't forget to press the button bell so that you're updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless.